Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is our tutorial second for tkinter module in Python. So as we have completed till now buttons guys. So hope you have practiced, and from that you can now make some projects also, and that link I will give in description. Okay, and if you have don't watched our first part, then link is also in the description. Okay, so let's start. So to first visit is message box. This module is generally used to display message in our application. Okay, so let's see how we can use it. So first of all we will import tkinter module. So from tkinter import everything. Okay, now from tkinter from import from tkinter we will import message box. Okay, now we will define a screen. Okay, okay, now let's create a button. Okay, as we have seen in previous part. Okay, for screen text, let's give it a text, say hi. Okay, and place it at we dot place at x equals to, let's say 10 and y equals to 50. Okay, and okay, let's run and see. As you can see, there is our button. Till now this is of our no use. So now let's give a task. Okay, to this button. Let's give it a command, try. Okay, now let's make the function tries. Okay, tries already. Now let's define tries. So trys. Okay, now what we will do guys, we will write like message box. Okay, dot show info means when the user will click the button, then it will show a message, means show information. Okay, that will be, let's give it a title as congrats. Okay, and message as hello. Okay, yes. Okay, let's close. Okay, now let's run and see. Okay, when the user will click this button, then it will show a message like this. Okay, now in this we can also show error. So for that we will use message box dot show error. Okay, in this it will show error. Okay, when we click it, it will show error like this. Okay, so now let's move forward. So our next visit is check button. The check button is used to display number of options as the check boxes in which user can select options. Okay, so let's see how we can use this. So first of all, again we will import tkinter. So from tkinter we will import everything. So star. Okay, now after that we will define screen. Okay, that is our tkinter window. Okay, after that we will create guys two variable. So first is, let's name them check where. Okay, so check where 1, okay, equals to int where, means it is a int variable. Okay, now make another check where 2. Okay, it is also int variable, integer variable. Okay, now let's define c1. Remember guys, C capital and V capital. Okay, and in int var I capital and V capital. Okay, now let's C1 as check button in this C will be capital, okay, on a screen, okay, and the text we will give it as option 1, no sorry, Windows, let's give it as Windows, okay. Now let's create give its variable as checkvar1, okay, and on value it's give it as 1 and off value as 0, okay, and height let's 5 and width as 20, okay, and place it at, means I am using a pack, means it will be in middle, okay, and let's create a C2 second check button. Text let's give it Linux, okay, variable check variable 2, okay, checkvar2, sorry, on value let's give it 1, off value as same 0, okay, height also same 5 and width also 20, okay, C2 dot pack. Now let's screen dot main loop, always remember to write this, guys. Now let's run and see. So as you can see, guys, there are two options for our two buttons in which we can select multiple, okay, we can select, we can unselect this, okay. This was our check button. So the next one is radio button. As you can see, the radio button widget is used to display number of options as the radio. You can select one option only at a time, okay. So let's see how we can use it. Okay, so first of all we will create a variable name var, okay, and variable will be as int var, okay. So remember, guys, I capital and V capital, okay, we have created. Now let's create the variable R1 for radio button 1, okay. For that R will be capital and rest will be small, so radio button, okay. As we are creating it on the screen, means Tkinter window, so name it as screen, okay. Text give it as option 1, okay, and now let's set variable as var, okay. So after that var, okay, now give its value as 1, okay, and command give it as go, okay. Let's name a function go, okay. Now create another first place is, so R1 dot pack I'm using, you can use place or either grid, okay. Now I am creating another one R2, okay. So let's copy this, okay, paste, okay, and change its R2, R2, okay, and text as option 2, okay, okay. Now and also value, we have to give it value, so let's give it value as 2, okay, okay, guys. Now let's create a third one, sorry, okay. So paste it here, okay, name it as R3, option as text as option 3, okay, and value as 3 also, okay, value as given as 3. Now we will create a label, as we have seen in previous video, guys. Label widget is used to give a text, single line text, okay. So label on a screen. Now let's do not define it, okay, and just write as label dot pack, okay. We will configure it later, okay. Now let's create our function go. So define go, okay, 0, okay, okay. Now let's make a variable selection, okay, that we will create as you have selected okay, option, we are creating a string, guys, option, okay, plus, sorry, yes, plus var dot get, it means that which option user have chosen, okay. So var dot get okay, okay. Now we will show it on the screen. So we have to for that configure label. Okay, so label dot config. Okay, and we will text give it as selection, means the string that is saved in the selection variable. Okay, so let's run and see. Okay, so guys, as you can see, there are three options. You can select, if you select option 1, then it will show you have selected option 1, means it will show which option you have choose, and these are three. You can select only once at a time. So that was our radio button, guys. Visit. So that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed, so please like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also, if you haven't watched first part, then link is given in the description. So from that all the visits, guys, if you practice, then you can make some interesting project and game with using that. Okay, so I'm giving link in the description of all that I have made. So you guys please go through them also, all projects. So in last, hope you have enjoyed, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you.